on. Okay, it's just you and me here. Look me in the eyes and tell me that you don't feel the exact same way. We are cosmically screwed. God is dead. And our leaders, so-called, even the best of them, are arrant fucking knaves and self-serving pricks, drunk with power and wielding sway with an arrogance and hypocrisy beyond the power of poets to name. And we just go prancing along, pretending to be oblivious and blindly clocking in, having kids, and meanwhile, the economic downtown, blah, 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 and the sluggish recovery, blah, 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 and the fuckhead fucking annexes or whatever the fuck threatens to blow some subset of innocent housewives off the face of the planet. I'm fine. I'm fine. And the fucking irony of it is, no matter how inconceivably broken the world gets, all most of us care about is if we get to snuggle up with someone who will maybe, just maybe, help us forget everything that we actually know.